What's up, guys? It's another video today. Jamaican gamer, you know. And today I'm just gonna show you a few glitches on GTA 5, yeah, and PS3. I don't work on any other system. Well, I guess it's supposed to work. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you a few glitches. But I'm just show you some more outfit first. And I'm gonna represent country Jamaica. Yeah. Also to go that I'm gonna use my Jamaican card. Yes, people, the card. Yes, tell me if you like the outfit and which country you're from. Representing KZ. That's the Jamaican character. So first and foremost, we just want to big up the people them from the country them when them there. Yeah, United States, Israel, Africa, every other country, no racism in there, you see, Jamaican straight. Alright, so first I'm going to show you the first glitch in the game. Pretty easy. You can get rid of cops easy, no matter what level them there, no matter what. You get me, I say, get rid of them. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so let's show you first. So you can kill people with them called giants. See, kill Babylon boy. Yeah. Kill Banky boy, you know? Ooh, see that? Wow. That's straight to the one. Yeah. 16, see? They under the garage. Showing the next glitch now. It more kinda difficult in a way because you have to jump in there. You get what I say? You have to jump in there. So more while you jump and you know jumping in the right spot. But enough people know them glitches still, but me just showing a few glitches. I don't think them know. If you don't know more, you can comment below and tell me so I can get to experience them to use it. So I just told me, you know. Yeah, park up right there, sir. See, so I forgot. Cat the cat, come on. Hold on there. And you can tell me if you like the cat too, you know. Yeah, man. Cat bad, not true. Yeah. Usually just going at this with one chance, you know. But that's what I say. Because I have to jump in there, kind of more difficult. Alright, now we're inside of the glitch. Make a lot of noise. Yeah, same way. See that? People don't know what going on. And let's see people at this try. You can't kill anybody from in here, even try out. You know what I'm saying? Police can't get in this. Kid Babylon if you don't want to watch them come. I'm dead. And then you can just go over there. So easy. Run up and down in there, everything. And even when you drop down there, so when you drop down there, you still now go dead. So I teleport back on the map, is it? maybe not right here, so but somewhere else. You know what I say? So alright, them are gonna come now. You know what I'm saying? So people, you can just tell me what you think about the video. Like and subscribe to the channel, please. And please, I'm gonna do more video for it. Is that what I say? See, police them a look for it. Watch out. You not even see me, but watch out now. Dead boy. See? Put me on the ground. Put me on the ground, Babylon boy. Put me on the ground. Eh? Put me on the ground now. See? You can't leave a shoe. Oh Lord, headshot. 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 Yeah man. Just tell me like when we carry the Jamaican, your people.